So your child wakes up not feeling well, or maybe you get hurt going about your day. You think it's serious enough to go to a doctor, but you don't know if you really need the emergency room or not. Jason Upham is the director of the Department of Moses Cone Emergency Department. He is here to talk a little bit more about how to make that choice. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, so you're like, do I go to the emergency room? Can I go to an urgent care? What are some of the advice that you would give?
So first, I would always try to go to your primary doctor. If they're available, get it scheduled would be great. If you can't get there, urgent cares are perfect. If you feel that your physician was a good aspect and you're not able to make it to them, urgent care can take care of rashes, minor colds, coughs, some sutures, and so forth.
So we're looking at a list of where to go, urgent care. These are some of the things that you can go for, even sprains.
That's correct.
And wounds that need suturing, yeah, that's a hard one for people because you wonder, do I need stitches? Do I not need stitches? Is there a way of knowing that?
If it can be covered with a Band-Aid, your primary doctor. If you feel it's a little more than that, go to urgent care and be on the safe side. If you're seeing exposure and it's one of those things that you're just really unsure with, the emergency department will always be there for you.
Okay, and then there are things that are so serious you really shouldn't even wait. You should just call 911, that you get to the hospital immediately. Can we run through some of those?
Sure. If it has anything to do with your heart, your brain, anything that you've had severe previous injuries with or acknowledging of that, emergency department would be a great aspect for you. If you feel you're going to have to call 911, emergency department is where you should go.
Okay, so heart attack, trouble breathing or chest pains, which you could be having a heart attack, sudden facial drooping or weakness in the arm or legs, because what could that mean?
That could be a stroke, and stroke is time, so you want to make sure you get to the right place in the right time, and the emergency department is definitely a place to go.
Okay, broken bones we mentioned there, and that's hard to call sometimes as well. I always remembered my parents or people saying when I was younger, if you can move it, it's not broken. That's not necessarily the case.
That's not necessarily the case. However, if you're unsure, urgent care is a great place to start, and they can always refer you to the emergency department. Some of those aspects will kind of get the ball rolling. You just want to make sure you get to the right place. If you're exposed bone and you're seeing a bone, emergency department all the way.
Without a doubt, without a doubt. Okay, and then if you can't feel like you can make it somewhere, there's something new thanks to technology with e-visits. Can you describe what those are like?
So everybody has a phone, a tablet, or something. So we have Instacare is one option, but we also have Cone Connect, which allows you to see a physician from your phone. They can prescribe medications. They can also guide you in the right directions and help provide you from your comfort of your own home. And Cone has a vast options that are available to you.
And sometimes it's thinking about the wait in these sorts of places. Going to the emergency room, you could wait a while. Even urgent care, you can wait a while. Going these e-routes or calling, it will save you a lot of time, I imagine.
It would. It would save you a great amount of time. We'd all like to wait at home, and that's what it allows you to do. Wait and be provided from your living room.
All right, that is great information. Thanks so much for telling us about it, helping us out with technology. If you have any questions about where to go, you can look up different kinds of healthcare facilities and offices online, match them with your current needs. Go to the website on your screen, conehealth.com/RightCare. And for more healthy lifestyle tools, resources, classes, you can go to conehealth.com/wellness-matters.
House Call on Fox 8 is sponsored by Cone Health.